Hi there my friends, it's time for kind of a different emote. Today we got the ryanWheeze emote, and as you might have noticed, it's modeled after the table slam wheezing meme. It's hard to explain, you know what I mean, I hope. I've been trying to draw meme-related emotes for a while now, and I kept failing until Ryan showed up and made a commission out of it, and I think it turned out great. Maybe I'm gonna make a few of those myself for the server. Feel free to tell me if you like it or not. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!